As of Tuesday, the China-Laos Railway had operated 20,000 passenger trains and handled 10.3 million passenger trips since its launch in December 2021, the railway operator said Wednesday. The railway handled 8.7 million passenger trips for the China section, with daily passengers hitting 65,000. Meanwhile, 1.6 million passenger trips were logged in its Laos section, with the number of daily passengers reaching 8,800, said the China Railway Kunming Group Company Limited. The number of stations in Laos that can handle passenger service has increased from 7 in the initial period to 10.
中老铁路客运量持续增长，服务品质大幅提升，服务效率不断增强，为服务两国民众便捷高效出行发挥了重要作用。
The China-Laos Railway connects Kunming in southwest China's Yunnan province with the Laotian capital Vientiane. The 1,035-kilometer railway, a landmark project of high-quality Belt and Road cooperation, started operation on December 3, 2021. It is expected to launch cross-border passenger trains on the China-Laos Railway this year to improve the passenger and cargo transport of the railway.